Patio doors. Mandeville, LA is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. With a variety of options like sliding glass doors, French doors, and custom patio doors, residents can choose the perfect fit for their homes. Patio door installation. Mandeville, LA experts ensure a seamless process, providing high-quality service and craftsmanship. Energy-efficient patio doors. Mandeville are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to reduce energy costs. These doors are designed to keep homes comfortable year-round, making them a smart investment. Energy-efficient patio doors. Mandeville not only save money, but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. For those seeking patio doors, Mandeville replacement Mandeville, there are numerous styles and materials to consider. Aluminum patio doors, vinyl patio doors, and wood patio doors. Mandeville, LA offer different aesthetics and benefits. Whether you prefer the durability of aluminum, the low maintenance of vinyl, or the classic look of wood, Mandeville has options to suit every taste. Patio door replacement Mandeville services are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. From fixing patio door hardware to replacing patio door glass, skilled professionals in Mandeville can handle all types of repairs. Regular patio door maintenance. Mandeville ensures longevity and optimal performance. Custom patio doors. Mandeville, LA provide homeowners with the opportunity to create unique and personalized entrances. With a range of patio door styles, Mandeville you can design a door that complements your home's architecture and reflects your personal style. Customization options include patio door frames, patio door screens, and patio door locks. Mandeville, LA. Patio door weatherproofing Mandeville is vital for protecting your home from the elements. Proper weatherproofing helps prevent drafts, leaks, and other issues that can arise from exposure to harsh weather conditions. Patio door weatherproofing Mandeville services ensure your doors are sealed and insulated effectively. Security is a top priority for many homeowners, and patio door security Mandeville, LA solutions offer peace of mind. From advanced locking systems to reinforced glass, there are various options to enhance the safety of your patio doors. Patio doors. Mandeville experts can recommend the best products and practices to keep your home secure. When considering patio door cost Mandeville, it's important to factor in the quality of materials and installation services. Patio door estimates Mandeville, LA provide a clear understanding of the investment required for your project. Reputable patio door contractors. Mandeville offer competitive pricing and transparent quotes. Choosing the right patio doors. Mandeville Companies is crucial for a successful installation or replacement project. Experienced patio door contractors. Mandeville have the expertise and resources to deliver exceptional results. Look for companies with positive reviews and a proven track record in patio door services. Mandeville.